So I know a lot of people are wondering how the AirPods do on a plane, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you today, showing multiple examples of noise canceling. In this scene right here, we are just taxiing on the runway. I have noise canceling on, and I can barely hear anything with no music on at all. This next example, we are taking off. Noise canceling's on, music's on. Again, I've got the music about 3/4 of the way up, and I cannot hear the plane at all. In this scene, I turned down the music just to show the level that I can actually hear the plane, and then I turn it up to about 3/4 of the way, or a little less, and that's when it drowns out all the sounds of the plane. Next, this is where we're landing, and again, noise canceling is on, my music's up, and I really cannot hear anything at all as this is happening. This is where I switch on transparency mode. I can hear everything that's going on, and the AirPods are actually staying in my ear. Walking through the Raleigh airport, I can hear my surroundings just fine. And I could never walk around with AirPods in my ear because they wouldn't stay in and they were not comfortable. Another scene walking through. Again, I can hear everything. I can hear these guys' conversation. I feel like there isn't even earphones in my ear at all. Back on the noise canceling. I don't get a lot of that muffling or the sounds that you get when you're walking, when you're using silicone ear tips. I hear literally nothing at all. Back to transparency mode where I can hear the streets and sounds all near me, buses going by. Just a quick test for being out in the street. Finally, I'm on the bus to the rental car station, and again, active noise canceling. I hear nothing. I don't hear the hum of the bus. These things are great. So in conclusion, I think the AirPods Pro are going to be a great travel companion, especially if you do it a lot. If you're looking for something simple, I did not think that they would be good enough to use on the plane, but I was wrong. So I hope this helps people out. Please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.